Hello, I'm Anna DeCoker, and I'm currently studying dental hygiene at Georgian College, but I also have many credentials in early childhood education, and I have many experiences in this field as well. And after conducting a comprehensive analysis on the Boys and Girls Club of Canada website, I've made some suggestions. The Boys and Girls Club will always have a special part in my heart because I've grown up with them. They've guided me to the individual who I am today, and now I have the opportunity to guide individuals in our community for who they are today. So the Boys and Girls Club leads a federation of more than 1,000 independent organizations across the country. So to begin, I just want to give you a quick understanding of the Boys and Girls Club. So their mission statement is to provide a safe, supportive places where children and youth can experience new opportunities, overcome barriers, build a positive relationship, and develop confidence and skills for life. The vision is for all children and youth to discover and achieve their dreams and grow up to be healthy, successful, and active participants in society. So the intended audience for the Boys and Girls Club website is both children and adults. So I'm going to begin with talking about some improvements as well as suggestions, as well as the ethos, pathos, and logos that are incorporated into this website, and we'll talk about that further along. So I'll be touching on the design, content, and organizations, some strengths, weaknesses, and improvements for all. So to begin, the design strengths are the mobile compatible. So the Boys and Girls Club website is compatible, and I think this is very important due to the increase of technology. Therefore, more people have access on their phones, and I think this is very important. When you're on the go and busy, you can still rely on this website to be user-friendly. Some design strength is also the contrasting color schemes. I like that they used their logo colors, which is green. They incorporated that into their website, as well as the website also had great pictures that they incorporated in. Some more design strength is the great information they had. They laid it out really nice, therefore it really aided to the website. Some design weakness is the background color. There is no background color on the website, so I just suggest something like I have in this picture, something light blue, very faint, or even a light green would be nice. Nothing that would take away from the overall appearance of the website. Some design weaknesses are the overwhelming information. There was a lot of information throughout the video and the website. So although the information is very important, the overwhelming information is just kind of takes you off guard, although everything is important. So some design improvements is for the subheadings, I think there should be a larger menu, something that stands out more, possibly making it a larger text or larger bold. Some more design improvements is creating a children and adults section. Because this website is intended for both children and adults, creating a section for children would help. The children website would incorporate different programs Boys and Girls Club has to offer, as well as different general knowledge. Some content strength are the ethos, pathos, and logos. So there's lots of credible and reliable information found. Pathos, lots of information touches the heart, as well as pictures we see and videos. And logic, the website presents with great amount of organization and important information. Another content strength is the reliable and trustworthy information. It's important that the information is coming from something you rely on. Some weakness is there's a large amount of reading, and this can discourage some readers and they may stop. Therefore, they might miss out on some important information. Some content improvements is make shorter summaries, make the website not have a lot of reading, provide the viewers with short amount of information that they are provided with the great information they are needed. Some more improvements are make short descriptive videos. Some people might not want to read, therefore a nice video can give them a great description on different programs or education or fundraisers they might want to know about. Some organization strength is the subheadings at both top and the bottom of the page, as well as drop-down menus, and you can see there's subheadings as well as more information underneath. This gives the readers a great guide. Some more strength is the like and share button, and I think this is really important to promote the website to friends and family and get it out there. So any website with a like and share button I think is a great idea. Some weaknesses are some of the information is very sporadic, especially on the homepage. I found it very unorganized and confusing, so I wasn't really sure what to look for when I got onto the homepage, but the subheadings did help me guide into the right direction. So some improvements is moving the subheadings to the top of the page and creating a drop-down menu there instead of having the subheading drop-down menu at the very bottom. Also, labeling pictures and videos. So there were some videos within the Boys and Girls Club website, but they weren't labeled. So I think creating something like this, like a YouTube video at the bottom, would give the viewers a great description of what they're about to see and watch. So throughout this video, I've talked about design improvement, content improvement, and organizational improvement. I've talked about creating a larger menu, a children and adult section, short summaries and descriptive videos, as well as creating subheadings at the top of the page and using descriptive video clips. Thank you for watching.